Today we are going to explore the flavors of South Asian cuisine with a classic favorite, chicken handi. Tender chicken cooked in a smooth tomato onion gravy with a creamy base that perfectly balances the spices. Let's get started. Take a mixing bowl and add 500 grams of chicken. Pour in 15 ml of vinegar and sprinkle in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Pour enough water to cover the chicken and let it soak for half an hour. This will tenderize the chicken, enhance its flavor, helps retain moisture and cleanse it for a better cooking experience. Heat a kadai or a deep pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped onions. Saute the onions until they turn golden brown, stirring frequently. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Now sprinkle in the spice powders. 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix everything well, stirring continuously to avoid burning the spices and ensure even cooking. Drain the water from the chicken and add it to the kadai. Mix well and let all the flavors infuse the chicken. Cooking on high flame for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Ensure each piece of the chicken is well coated with the spices for maximum flavor. Add tomato paste and mix well. Cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Slow cooking at this stage helps the flavors meld beautifully. Pour in 150 ml of water. Cover the lid and cook for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour in a cup of whisked yogurt. Mix well. Cover the lid and cook on medium to high heat for another 5 minutes. Stirring occasionally prevents sticking and ensures the chicken cooks evenly. Add fresh coriander leaves and pour in fresh cream. Cook on high flame for a minute and your chicken handi is ready to be served. Adding fresh cream at the end gives a luxurious finish to your dish. And there you have it, our chicken handi, bursting with rich flavors and creamy goodness. We hope you enjoyed cooking along with us. Let us know in the comments how your chicken handi turned out and what other dishes you would like to see. Happy cooking and see you next time.